Hi guys, mayong mga unta. Handa na ako sa New Year. Aron tanipit siya pa ni taste nawan. Kuan ako. Nipis yung nit nga pagkabuon, di ba ka ni pait?
To it. It's all skin.
No, not all skin. Only
Mostly. Grapefruit, the skin on a pomelo is 3 times thicker than the skin on a grapefruit.
oh. Peter. Ihanda-handa guys, karon pa na panitan. Okay, karon pa na giganahan og panit si Manang. Daddy, I'm gonna eat pomelo.
Ito din naman.
You want to eat this?
Yeah.
Pomelo, buongon. I'm gonna eat
The skin is not even 3 times, a third the size of that.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, they develop them so they don't have a lot of skin.
Yeah, not lots of skin.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
oh, this is
You
yours.
can't-
How did
Wonder-
you know?
One of the few things when you get antibiotics and stuff,
This is good for woman.
they tell you don't take it if you're taking an antibiotic because it has certain things in it.
Mmm.
I gotta
Lami.
take my
Magtanom rin ko, ane.
my antibiotic.
Magtanom ko, ane, guys. Some is... Yeah. Di siya dagan og panit. Di ba sa panit, guys?
There they are. The
Nga unta.
antibiotics and uncobiotics.
Nga unta, guys.
I don't think they're that good. To tell you the truth. I don't think they're that good.
Lami.
But they go through all that.
Ba?